birthday. We're always together in Singapore, and I know that everything that we went through, I know that you're always there for us, and I know that you're very positive about everything. So I know that you're going to be with us for 20 more years, Dad. More Elvis songs and more later games to come. We love you.
Thank you so much. My only daughter, my one and only daughter, Rufa.
Pinapakita mo sa amin na lumalaban ka, kaya mo lahat ng nangyayari, and you're always smiling, you're always positive, and no matter what happens, nakukuha namin yung energy din from you. And it also keeps us going with you. So thank you, Dad, for everything. We love you. We're here for you no matter what. And alam ko kakayanan natin lahat ng pagsubok.
Thank you.
And
Bitiranong aktor na si Eddie Gutierrez, emosyonal sa sorpresa ng mga anak. Welcome back to Philippine Celebrity Broadcast. Trending at viral ngayon sa mundo ng showbiz ang ika-84 na kaarawan ng bitiranong aktor na si Eddie Gutierrez, na kung saan punong-puno ng pagmamahal ang naging pagdiriwang sa ika-84th birthday ng veteran actor na si Eddie Gutierrez. Una ngang nagbigay ng mensahe ang dalawang anak nito na sina Tonton Gutierrez at Ramon Christopher.
You are well now again, and we wish sa 84, no? So we'll be seeing each other again 95 84. But Dad, again, we love you so much, and sana magtuloy-tuloy ang paggaling mo. We are always here behind you, always praying for you. Again, we love you so much.
Thank you so much, Ton.
Ayun, good health lagi. At magte-taping pa tayo dun sa bagong show niya ni Richard. Diba?
back to work na ba?
Magte-taping pa tayo ron pag ano. Kaya we love you, Dad. We love you.
Thank you. Pero doon sa gagawin natin, hindi na ako naka-wheelchair.
Hindi na. May mga walking na ron, may mga ano na, diba?
Yung pagbaksak ko kanina, acting lang yun.
Sa isang Instagram post nga ay nagbibigay pugay ang kanyang anak na si Rufa Gutierrez sa katatagang ipinamalas ng kanyang ama sa kabila ng mga pinagdaanan nitong mga nakalipas na taon. Sa kanyang mensahe, inamin ni Rufa Gutierrez na hindi naging madali ang nakaraang taon ni Eddie Gutierrez. Gayon pa man, bilib siya dahil hindi kailanman nagpakita ng takot ang kanyang ama. Ibinahagi rin ni Rufa Gutierrez ang ilang mga larawan kasama ang ama at ang kanyang ina si Annabel Rama habang sila ay nag-i-enjoy sa isang restaurant, na ang positibong disposisyon ng kanyang ama ang naging sandigan nilang magkakapatid.
Happy ate!
Dad, happy birthday. We're always together in Singapore, and I know that everything that we went through, I know that you're always there for us, and I know that you're very positive about everything. So I know that you're going to be with us for 20 more years, Dad. More Elvis songs and more later games to come. We love you.
Thank you so much. My only daughter, my one and only daughter, Rufa.
Hindi rin nagpauli si Richard Gutierrez, nagkasama pa ang napabalitang kasintahan nito na si Barbie Imperial, na isa nga sa mensahe ni Richard Gutierrez sa kaarawan ng kanyang ama na sana tuloy-tuloy na ang paggaling nito mula sa pinagdaan ng sakit. Para sa buong kwento, narito ating panoorin ang video.
Hi Dad, happy birthday to you. We're all very happy na naging successful journey sa Singapore, and you're back to look good, you look healthy, and sana tuloy-tuloy ang pag-heal ng katawan mo, and we're all praying for you. You also give us strength. Pinapakita mo sa amin na lumalaban ka, kaya mo lahat ng nangyayari, and you're always smiling, you're always positive, and no matter what happens, nakuha namin yung energy yan from you. And it also keeps us going with you. So thank you, Dad, for everything. We love you. We're here for you no matter what. And alam ko kakayanan natin lahat ng pagsubok.
Thank you,
Dad,
sir. Thank you so much.
Okay.
happy birthday, Dad. Yun nga sa ating lahat tayo masaya dahil successful yung recovery mo, and mas marami pa tayong Laker games na makapanood sa umaga every day. So masaya kami at you're still alive and kicking.
Thank you, Elvis.
Happy birthday, Dad. I'm happy that you're strong again. Every day is swimming, gym, therapy, eating fruits, and I'm always praying for you, Dad. Every day, sana tuloy-tuloy mo yung ano mo, healing. In God's hands, He will keep you alive. Love you, Dad.
Thank you, Rocky. Thank you so much.
There you go. Can we have the grandkids join us here as well, guys, for a photo op? All the grandkids and all the adult grandkids as well. It's gonna be a big family photo.
There you go.
Zion and Kai went home na.
There you go.
Jessica.
Yeah, all here. Yeah, guys, some stand there. There you go. Can we have a bit of music? And then let's have the
Music.
Closer, guys. Happy birthday!
Ganito naman nakarami ang ginawa ko.
The stage is full. Happy birthday, guys! The night has just begun. Enjoy your evening. The drinks are.
Ako po si Eddie Gutierrez. Meron kasing kumakalat na fake news. Alam niyo, usong-uso ang fake news ngayon. Na ako'y sumakabilang buhay na. Hindi po totoo yun. Buhay na buhay po ako. I'm still alive and kicking. Hindi pa ako namamatay. Binigyan pa ako ng Panginoon ng mga ilang taon. I'll be turning 84 on February 6. At ako'y nagpapasalamat na nandito ang aking asawa, si Annabel Rama, na kung hindi dahil sa kanya, baka maging totoo yan. Chismis na yan. At mga anak ko, si Rufa, si Richard, si Raymond, si Elvis, si Rocky, si Paul, Monching, Tonton. Lahat po sila ay ang nagbibigay sa akin ng saya. At lalong-lalo na ang aking mga apo na kasama ko dito sa bahay. So, wag po kayong maniniwala. Buhay na buhay po ako. Sa lahat ng mga nagdasal, sa lahat ng mga tagahanga ko, ng mga senior citizen na hanggang ngayon nandiyan pa, wag po kayong mag-worry. Buhay na buhay po ako. At maraming salamat sa mga dasal ninyo.
Hanggang dito na lang muna ang ating video at kung nagustuhan nyo, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe at pindutin nyo na rin ang notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa ating susunod na video. Maraming salamat!